Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So for today's video, I am going to attempt to do 4 space bun. I'm not really sure how they call it, but it's like the 4 buns in the front. I've been seeing them around a lot and I thought they were super cute, and I'm like, oh, let me try them out. I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out, but we will see how it turns out. First, before we get started, we are going to moisturize and oil my hair. In the mixture, I have aloe vera juice, rose water, a little bit of water, and some moisturizing oil in the mixture that's in the bottle. And then I'm just going to seal it in with some sealant oil. So now we are going to part the front so that we can tie up the back so that it's not in the way. And you guys just keep on watching. I'm probably going to fast forward this video just because you guys are just going to see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to fast forward a little bit for you guys. So I totally forgot to tell you guys what you are going to need. What you're going to need for this style is just rubber bands and some hairpins and edge control and edge brush if you want to do your edges. Yeah, the first one was so easy. Like, I got it done so quick and with no problem. The other ones, you guys, I had to do them over and over like many times. But I really thought it was going to be easy. I thought, this looks really easy. The hard part is tucking in the end of the hair. And because my hair is not too long yet, and especially because the end of my hair are not soft, and they're pretty much sealed in locks, so it's hard to actually try to like seal and hide them underneath the hair because they're so bulky. But you guys, I tried. As you guys can see, I was really struggling with the last two, especially the one by my ear. I was really struggling, y'all. But I tried over and over again until that one that I'm doing right now, it did get tucked in, thank God. But then the last one was just hanging, y'all. So, but I eventually just tried again and I got it the last time. So you guys will see at the end how, you know, it came together. I used the pins to try to, you know, hide the end parts. Hey guys, so I am all done with the hair. So what I did was just took some pins and I just literally tug in the parts that was sticking out. You guys, my hair is still not really that long, so there are a lot of styles that I cannot do yet, but you know, sooner or later, yeah, I'm gonna be you know, doing all the styles, figure out. But anyways, I really like how it turned out. It's really cute. It's funky and sassy. You feel me? But yeah, guys, so let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna show you guys the buns a little closely. They're not perfect, but you know, everything's not supposed to be perfect, you guys. I get them, you know, as close as perfect as I can. But yeah, guys, so this is the hair. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna go take some pictures for you guys so you guys can see how they look like and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, you comment down below, and also that you subscribe to this channel. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.